Alright, what we are looking at here is a white and polished brass Casablanca Saturn ceiling fan with the rather uncommon designer gray blades. So basically, this is not a gallery edition. As you can see, it has no light and not the factory blades or the stock blades that you would normally see on a Saturn. So I assume this was ordered separately, but I don't know too much about how those designer grade blades got there, but I assume they are original. So I got this along. I got two Saturns, one with the Saturn light kit, and this one does not have it, as you can see. And they all had 5 blades, but however, while the fans were still in the seller's possession, one of the blades snapped right where the blade arm connects, and that really sucked, but at least I still can. They're both 4 or 5 blade adaptable, so I'm just using this one with 4 blades and the other one with 5. And the other blade, unfortunately, is not savable, as it's completely snapped. Literally all that's holding it together is the paint. So, yeah, I had to throw that away, unfortunately. Let me show the tag. I don't know how well you can really see that serial number, but this fan was manufactured on August 28th, 1989, and was the 438th fan made that day. This fan's in okay shape. Blades are like very good shape. The switch housing is a little rough, and it's also missing the hang-tru canopy. Here's the side, and it begs for a bearing replacement. All I did was oil them, but that's not really they're still pretty noisy. Now let's go ahead and turn this thing on demo mode. And keep in mind, this fan wobbles a lot on high speed. So here's speed 1. Bearings on this fan are quite loud, but it's better than it was though. Both these Saturns came with a 2-foot down rod, but I took that off. So now I'm just using the regular down rod. But this is definitely a very unusual combination. White and brass Saturn with designer gray blades. I've never really seen that before. It is kind of cool though. Put on speed 2. One thing that is a little surprising, both these fans are from 1989, and the flywheels are in perfect condition. They still have a lot of life left in them, which isn't really something you normally see with a Casablanca fan from 1989. Let's move it up to speed 3. I'll just hold it by hand so I don't have to keep putting it in the tripod. Let's do speed 4 now. I normally don't test and teletouch fans at this spot, so it's kind of hard to get to the control. Let's go up to speed 5 now. You really see the wobble start on speed 4, and then it just gets worse as you go up in speeds. Now it's really shaking quite a bit. And there's speed 6, which is the highest speed. This thing is quite the wobbler. Spin down now. Alright, and there you have it for this Casablanca Saturn in white and brass with the unusual combination of designer gray blades.